you have a plane, the plane has already taken off, there are passengers already, mid-flight you're trying to fix and you're trying to change the plane. If you want to invest in something that's of the present already, meaning it's already being used, then Ethereum might be the investment for you. Hey guys, so in this video, let's talk about Cardano / ADA, the basics of it, what makes it different from other cryptocurrencies / tokens out there. Is this something that's investable for the long term? What's the utility of this? Let's also talk about the tokenomics and also the technicals of ADA as well. So by the time I'm making this video, May 2021, ADA is currently at $1.80 per token. It's currently the 5th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap with over $57 billion. I have around 5 to 6% of it in terms of position / allocation in my portfolio. And one of the reasons why I'm buying it is basically as a hedge, just in case all of the scalability issues of Ethereum would continue to drag it moving forward. So the founder of Cardano is Charles Hoskinson, which used to be also one of the co-founders of Ethereum. After leaving Ethereum, Charles Hoskinson was approached by Jeremy Wood, another colleague from Ethereum, to start IOHK. IOHK is an engineering and research company which builds cryptocurrencies, and one of their biggest projects is Cardano. Cardano is basically the blockchain, while ADA is the token that runs in the Cardano blockchain. So one of the reasons why Charles Hoskinson started this project, it's basically for ADA to deliver on the promises that Ethereum failed to deliver. And the biggest problem of Ethereum is there's a lot of scalability issues, meaning more people using Ethereum, the more congested the network will be, the longer it will be for transactions to take, and the more costly it will be. Bitcoin, just basically being a first generation type of token, is just a storer of value. It's literally digital gold. Other than that, you can't really do anything about it. Ethereum is not just a medium of exchange, it's not just a storer of value, but you could build things on top of it. However, these two, they use a proof of work type of validation, meaning you have miners in the blockchain that have to validate the transactions. And if you are an Ethereum user, for sure you have encountered this, that right now transactions are taking a very, very long period of time. In the same way also for Bitcoin. The difference of ADA is it uses a proof of stake type of validation, meaning you don't need a ton of miners to be able to validate if the transaction is valid. And the biggest impact of that is the transaction times would be massively faster. Proof of work is just like you're a miner, you're an employee for the company. As long as you get paid and you get the job done, everything is okay already in your end. For proof of stake, it's basically this. Validators need to have a stake in the network, meaning if it's Cardano, if it's ADA, the validators need to also have ADA and it being staked in it. The larger allocation of ADA that you have staked in the network, you get to have a say in the validation of that particular transaction. So in terms of transactions per second, Bitcoin can process around 3 to 5 transactions per second, while Ethereum can take around 10 to 15 transactions per second. In its current form, ADA can process around 6 to 7 transactions per second, but it has the potential to transact about 1 million transactions per second. Looking at Ethereum and ADA, in my opinion, are relatively the same. It's just that as of its current form, Ethereum is relatively slower. Ethereum has a lot of scalability issues. However, the biggest advantage of Ethereum right now, though, and I've been saying this in a lot of videos, is that there's a lot of apps built around the Ethereum network. There's a lot of tokens that are built around Ethereum as well. I think one of the reasons why there's not a lot of apps built yet in the Cardano / ADA ecosystem is they took a different approach. Ethereum, what they actually did was they did a white paper, then they started to build the apps towards their particular ecosystem. That's why they're doing so many upgrades, and that's why also they're headed towards Ethereum 2.0, which is giving them also a hard time, because it's just like, try to imagine this. You have a plane, the plane has already taken off, there are passengers already, mid-flight you're trying to fix and you're trying to change the plane. For Cardano, for ADA, they took a different approach. Instead of them creating the white paper and instead of them flying quickly, they took a more academic approach and they took a peer review approach, meaning these are the plans for Cardano. They sent it to a lot of experts to validate and check if this actually works before they start implementing it. If you want to invest in something that's of the present already, meaning it's already being used, then Ethereum might be the investment for you. If you're banking on what Cardano could be, its promises, its hope of what it could actually do and disrupt, that it could also be cryptocurrency 3.0, then right now, Cardano may be an investment also that would possibly fit you as well. So please do note this, in the world of investing, every time that whatever is planned has not come into fruition, there's a lot of volatility, but also that's where the upside will be. So in my opinion, as an investor, it's not a 1 and 0 type of investment because you can invest in both. And that's what I have been doing. It's just that I have a larger position in Ethereum right now than ADA. Should we see more progress also, more people using it, more use cases, more apps being built around it, then it would be nicer also to add more positions into it. The biggest difference between Ethereum right now and Cardano is that Ethereum has unlimited supply. And I think that's one of the biggest advantages of Cardano because its supply is currently capped at 45 billion ADAs, which makes it deflationary, which in comparison is somehow similar to where Bitcoin is because there is scarcity. So I don't know how it will go with ETH 2.0, if they plan to also address it, how it works when they start burning tokens as well. But as of its current form, by the time I'm making this video, so out of the 45 billion ADA, that will be the maximum amount in circulation, around 71% is already out, around 31 billion ADA. So lastly, let's look at the charts. By the time I'm making this recording, ADA is currently at 1.8 US dollars. And if you have been following my videos over the past days, I mentioned that ADA broke out from the 1.5 resistance. I also mentioned that ADA broke out from a sideways market from 1 as the support and 1.5 as the resistance. For those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, please do note that that particular channel range is something that you can superimpose, that as the 1.5 resistance got broken, it now transitioned itself as the new support level. And as long as the 1.5 resistance turns support will hold, and the narrative for it to push that 0.5 channel will currently be intact, placing a possible movement up until the $2 mark. You will see that the 7, 25, and 99-day moving average are currently still bullish right now after it actually broke past also and bounced off the 7 and 25-day moving average a few days ago. So that being said, the breakout from the 1.5 US dollar mark gave it more legs towards the upward trending move for ADA as well. This is just a basic video on it. I'm gonna make more deep dives on Cardano/ADA over the next few months. But what I like about ADA is the promise of what it could be in the future. What I like about it is the developments that they are doing in emerging countries, like what they're doing also in Africa. They want to be the blockchain that integrates all of the other tokens and cryptos together, that they're banking on that the entire cryptocurrency market as a whole will do better. And as the entire cryptocurrency market as a whole will come together, they could be the platform, the token that could integrate everything, that it's not a winner take all type of scenario, that they want everyone to win and they will be front and center in all of it as well. So Cardano basically has some similarities with Ethereum, but mainly because it uses a proof of stake concept in the current form of Ethereum, ADA would be a much better alternative for it as well. So that's my take on it. But please remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence as you start investing and as you start trading in it. Never ever buy, sell, hold, or avoid. Just because I talk about it, I'll say this over and over. It's your money. It's your responsibility. You have to take the time to learn what it is. But the goal of why I just keep doing this is I want you guys to have information that will help you decide if this is a good investment for you. But in the same way, I also want that as I'm continually also learning in the cryptocurrency space, I'm a stock market trader and investor. That's who I am. That's my background. But I'm learning this on the fly while I'm investing in stocks and while I'm also investing in crypto. And I do hope that as I continue to learn more about this, I just continually share the journey with you, that it's nice to trade it. It's nice to position on the ones that are flying, but it's also nice that we take the time to learn what the technology behind it, because the more you learn the technology behind it, it allows you to have a deep dive. It allows you to have a conviction that when everything else is crashing, when everything else is going down, it's not you putting in money into something that you believe in and know will help you weave through the emotion, will help you weed through the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So before I put this to a close, my name is Marvin Germo. I'm a stock market trader and investor, and now I'm a multi-asset investor, dabbling into different asset classes as well. And if you like more videos about this, like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to invest already in the cryptocurrency market, I have 2 links down below for you to be able to dabble into it. If you want to buy altcoins and you want to hodl for the long term, we have Binance, which is one of the platforms that I use, which is very, very good. And we also have eToro if you want to dabble in both the crypto space, the stock market space, commodities, and indices as well. You can use eToro. So you can try both of them. It doesn't require a large amount of money for you to be able to start. You can start them with a very, very minimal amount for you to get your feet wet. But what's nice about that is it allows you also to see, is this something that's worthwhile? Is this something that's worth getting into? Is this something that I should actually invest in? So in my opinion, use disposable income for you to be able to learn. Use disposable income, not just for you to be able to learn, to see if it's an investment that fits you. So try it. Links are in the description below. And I have 2 events coming up. One is at the end of the month. It's the largest investment conference in the country. Investment Conference 2021. We have Randall Chongson, Rex Mendoza, Diwa Gunigundo, David Lichu, Rosemary Rafael, and so much more joining us in the conference. So if you want to be part of that, check it out. The link is in the description below. And for those who want to learn technical analysis, like the charts that I showed you earlier, how you can apply that to Philippine stocks, how you can apply that to US stocks, and how you can apply that to cryptocurrency, we have another Stock Smarts technical analysis session, which is coming this July. So for those who missed it over the past days, we are doing it once again live for those who want to join us and learn how you can analyze using charts. And lastly, for those who want to read my books, check them out. I've written 5 books about investing and the stock market, which all aims to give you value, how you grow, and how you continually move forward to reach your goals of financial freedom. So there, I hope you guys got a lot from this, and I hope that this is something that's truly insightful for you. And I do hope that you continue learning, you continually pushing, and you continue to go towards whatever dreams and ambitions that you have. And I really do hope that this channel becomes a big part of how you reach forward to your dreams of financial freedom. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Gerbo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.